Francisco, Ohms 1 not required. Welcome to space.
Buildings in the world by volume. This building is called the Vehicle Assembly Building. Inside here is where we assembled all of those Apollo rockets. I was telling you about the flag. I did say one stripe is larger than the road Beverly's traveling on. Now the blue section that holds the stars, that's the same size as the Golden State Warriors. I want to show you, because I know it's anticipated, you want to see the vehicle. How does NASA even get those rockets and space shuttles to the launch pad? Well, I want to give you a little heads up. This vehicle, it might make you smile the next time you go to the gas station. The vehicle gets 32 feet to the gallon. 32 feet to the gallon.
Weighing in at 6 million pounds and capable of lifting and hauling 18 million pounds. The crawler is an engineering marvel, even without a rocket sitting on top of it. This thing has 2,750 horsepower, V16 diesel engines.
Two of them. So NASA nicknamed them Hans and Franz, okay? Hans and Franz are their nicknames. The vehicle is called the Crawler Transporter. Crawler because it moves less than 1 mile per hour. Transporter because that's all it does. It transports the rockets to the launch pad. It's the most historic launch pad of all. That is Launch Pad 39A. Every man that walked on the moon left from right there. NASA also launched 82 space shuttle missions from right there. In fact, the last space shuttle that launched from right there, ladies and gentlemen, it's at the visitor center. That's where you just left it. Okay? As I make this corner over the top of the bleachers, you see another set of 3 towers out there. That's Launch Pad B. You might have heard a few months back, NASA went around the moon with their new Space Launch System rocket, and we launched it right over there off of that tower that I showed you, okay?
Jim Water, Bill Andrews. Now we report that the liquid hydrogen tank in the third stage is pressurized, 1 minute 15 seconds. All 3 stages of propellants pressurized at this time as we come up on the 60-second mark on the flight to the moon. T-minus 60 seconds in time, vehicle now is completely pressurized. We're coming up on power transfer shortly. We have the power transfer. We're now on the flight batteries within the launch vehicle. Final reports coming from Frank Borman at this time. Final look at the switchless work of the spacecraft. 20 seconds, all aspects. We are still in the roll at this time. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Weather mission sequence start. The engines are on. 4.
Okay, engine stop. Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has ended.
Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breaking again. Thanks a lot.
A short time later, history is made again.
Okay, Neil, we can see you coming down the ladder now.
For one incredible moment, we are one people with one history, watching our destiny unfold.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
It was a moment shared by an entire world.
Here, man, from the planet Earth, first set foot upon the Mars. It came indeed for all mankind.
With these first steps, mankind stood on the highest ground. Mankind had achieved a tenuous foothold in the heavens, and a new and exciting world lay waiting to be explored. The first mission had stayed for only one day, but over the next 3.5 years, 5 more Apollo missions visited the moon, and with each one, we stayed longer, roamed further, and discovered more.
3, 2, 1. What a ride, what a ride.
The Apollo program ended in December of 1972, but our journey into space is just beginning. I'm Neil Armstrong. The future of space travel is being written right now in the dreams and imaginations of a new generation. Perhaps that's the greatest legacy of Apollo. It shows our children and grandchildren courage, imagination, and the will to explore. No dream is impossible.
Not required. Welcome to space.
where they keep their rockets inside that building. They keep their rockets inside that building there. And the big building you see in the very background